my channel. So today we're opening Shopkins. So this is what I have right here. Oops. So I'm gonna tell you what they are. So this is a scale.
Can you flip the? Can you tell me by doing so, and then this one?
This is a scale with like some fruits on it, like that. Some like blueberries. I don't know. It's blueberries. And this is, I think it's a golden plant. I think so. I think it's a rare one. And I think this is a pie with like golden inside, but
Can you show it to the camera?
and this is a TV.
TV, okay.
It's a TV. And I think this is a shake. I think
Shake.
so.
Okay.
A shake. I think this is a pancake.
Pancake.
With a cracked egg on it. I think she's a boy. She looks like a boy. I think this is a plate because, yeah, she's a plate. It's a plate. See that?
What is that?
It's a plate. It's a pink plate with a star on top.
Okay.
I don't really know, but I think it's a birthday plate.
And then what's that?
I think this is a pink apple.
Pink apple.
Yeah, I think so. I never saw that before. This is the rarest one because it has a really cool style, like the golden pink cup.
Can I see it?
The golden cup,
Golden cup.
and the shake is really pink and the straw is white. See that?
Okay.
Yes, this
What
one.
others that you have there?
What's this?
It's a wheelbarrow. I don't know.
Wheelbarrow.
Wheelbarrow.
But I don't know what it is. Oh, this is a donut. It doesn't look like a donut. It looks like a burger because you flip it like that, It's lying down. It looks like a burger, but it's not a burger. It's a donut, but it has a hole right here in the middle, so that means it's a donut. I think this is Jello, tiki Jello.
What's that?
A Jello.
Jello.
Oh no, the Jello's kind of a little messy.
Okay. What others do you have there?
Oh, I think this is a jam.
Ano yan?
A jam.
Jam. Okay.
Jam. I think this is a scooper.
Super. Ano yan yung pangalan ng plant? Yung hindi ko alam.
Ito.
Yun, ito, this one.
I think
Oh,
this
ito, ano to?
This is a bread. It's so hard to take out. I can't show it to you because it's too hard. And whoa, this is a rare one, guys.
Ano yan?
It's a rare one. It's a golden.
Golden ano yan?
It's a golden kind of, I don't know, salad, I think.
Salad.
I don't think it. So right here is another donut with like frosting swirls. Oh, I think this is cheeky present. Cheeky present. This is a cheeky present.
Can you show it? Whoa, it's cute.
It's cute,
It's
right?
super
Oh,
cute.
this is a bone like for like what's that? A dog.
Dog
It's a pig.
bone.
Yeah, it's a
Can you
pink
show
dog
it?
bone. It's a pink dog bone. Oh, I think this is a balloon because it has a tie on top. What ties has to be in the bottom? But the
Can you
feet
show
is
it?
there. right over there.
Cute.
It's really, really cool. So this is a fork. It has a really, really, really nice face. It's really cute. Really cute. And I think this is a shoe. Yeah, it's a shoe.
Shoe.
I think this is the rare golden shoe. This is a rare egg. It looks
Rare
like
egg.
it looks like a duck egg,
Duck egg.
but it's golden. Can't be a.
Okay.
And this is the remote for the TV. So this is a match. They're both silver. So there's more kind of Shopkins right over here by the bags.
Oh my god. Oh.
Oh my god, I'm gonna break it. So here's the one of the plants. This one's actually purple and dark pink. I think so. And this in here, still a soccer ball. Yeah, that's a soccer ball. Soccer ball. Dancing, it's a soccer ball.
Can you show them more?
I think this is a chalk maybe. But it looks
Chocolate.
like tin.
Chocolate.
I think this
Rocky chocolate. Ewan, I don't know.
is. Just check the checklist later.
Yes.
Yeah,
Ooh.
it's so cool.
So cool.
Cute.
Can you show
Whoa,
more?
this is the piano. A blue piano. It looks like the real key. Oh,
There's more?
yep,
There's more?
there's more. And later, after the Shopkins, I can show you the bags. This one is actually a dog donut. I don't know, but I think it's a dog donut.
The donut.
Another donut. I have 3 donuts. The other one.
Okay.
I have
what
3
else?
donuts.
What
And
else
here
you
are the
have?
bags. This big one has pink handles, 2 pink handles, and a purple bottom. Yep, like the same as here. They're the same. And these are pink baskets. And look at that. They on the basket says Shopkins.
Yes.
And for Shopkins,
It's the letter
S.
S.
So guys,
Wait! Who bought this one? Who bought this Shopkins? Who sponsored this Shopkins?
my mommy buy this Shopkins at
No.
Shopee.
Yeah, I bought it, but I don't pay for it. Who paid for it?
My auntie paid for it. That's always working so hard. She's always giving me chocolate.
And who is she?
It's my auntie Tita Sally.
Oh, what will you say to Sally?
Thank you. Thanks. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe and share the multiplication table. So share what these Shopkins name are. Bye.